Folks, Donald Morrow here, Morrow Custom Trailers. We are going to do a cool custom feature on this trailer. It is a concessions trailer, cargo trailer that we have converted into a modernized concessions rig mobile kitchen, right? You can add cookers, ventilation, whatever someone wants to this kitchen, and it can become really any business on wheels that somebody desires. What we're going to do is we're going to turn the ramp door into a custom, not only accent wall, but a custom, almost like a garage floor with the flake. In the garages on concrete, typically you see it, and it's done with an epoxy, right? The epoxy hardens and it has a gloss finish. What I'm going to do on this ramp door is create that look, but since it's wood and since it's flexing a lot and going down the road, bouncing, etc., I don't want to use the epoxy because I don't want it to crack. So I'm going to use basically a clear coat that you would use on any floor, in flooring, wood flooring, or wood items, right? So stay tuned.